The Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, has decided to extend the continuous voters registration exercise from the previous deadline, which was the 17th of August, to the end of August, which affords Nigerians more time to do their voters registration. Today on the show, we're going to be seeking the opinion of Nigerians as to how they feel about this extension, if it's favorable to them, and if they have indeed gotten their voters cards. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.
This episode of Street Files is brought to you by Manifest Apparel.
Okay, are you aware that INEC has extended the continuous voters registration to the end of the month?
Yes, I'm aware.
Okay, have you gotten your voters card?
Of course. Of course. I'm so looking forward to the voting time where I will have to cast my votes because sincerely speaking, I cannot wait. So I have my voting card, and I'm aware that it's been extended to 31st of August. Yeah.
Okay. So may I ask you, who are you going to vote for?
Oh my goodness. Like we know we have a lot of aspirants coming out now, and in as much as you are able to find that person in which you believe that yes, his values, his principles, and what he stands for could be what will give us the better Nigeria we want. I am of the opinion that Electoral will actually give us that best Nigeria, that beautiful Nigeria, that new Nigeria we all want. So, of course, if I have to cast my vote today, I would definitely cast it for ANN, which is Electoral.
Okay, are you aware that INEC has extended the voters registration exercise to the end of August?
Yeah, I'm aware.
Okay, do you have your voters card?
I already have the temporary one.
Okay, so when did you get it? Did you get it within this extension period, or you got it?
No, I got it earlier.
Oh, okay.
I got it earlier.
Okay, that's nice. So may I ask you, who are you going to vote for?
I'm going for Electoral.
Wow, okay.
That's the president, then I'm voting for governor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, can you give me reasons? Give me reasons why they have choice.
I think I've gotten to know Electoral. I've read his books and I know what he stands for. She understand? Yeah, so I believe he could do the job. That's what I believe.
It's not ready. The one I did since the first one lost it. I lost it, then I applied for that one now. Since now, I'll be checking. It's not that one attempt that the PDP is not out. I don't know when it's going to be out. Even including national ID card, I'm going for it. That 2014 is not yet also. I don't know what to do. I'm fed up of this nation, this country. What they are doing, I don't like it.
Okay, sir. So that is why it's important for you to get the voters card. I hope you're following up with them.
I'm following up, but I can't be continuing every day going to checking them. They say I can come in the next 2 months again, which is around November, which October, November. I don't know. If it's not out by then, I will not bother myself again. I will not vote.
So if you get the voters card, who will you vote for?
I will vote. No, that's between me and my God. I won't tell you who I'm going to vote for. That's between me and my God.
Okay, are you aware that the continuous voters registration exercise has been extended to the end of the month?
Yeah, I'm quite aware.
Okay, how do you feel about that? Have you gotten your voters card?
Yeah, I've gotten it. I just registered actually a couple of weeks ago.
Oh, nice.
So, and it's a way of not to disfranchise the general public, because it's a continuous exercise in the sense that those who just turned to 18 will be able to vote. They are eligible to vote. So it's not as if those who have gotten their voters card earlier on that it's just giving another information for you to come and do another registration. So it's a continuous exercise, thinking that those kids that are just getting to 18, they could be able to register and participate, so that they can vote for their choice. They can vote for their choice in the next gubernatorial election.
All right. I hope you're going to vote next year.
Of course, definitely. It is my right to vote. It is our right to vote. It is our right to change Nigeria for good.
Do you have your voter's card?
I do.
You do?
Yeah.
Did you get it within this extension period?
I got it before now. I got it in 2008 for the election. Yeah.
Okay. All right, so let me ask you, I hope you're going to vote next year.
I will. Voting is practically not just a right. It's not just a privilege, but it's a necessity. It's a civic responsibility for every Nigerian. So I think everybody should vote. Yeah.
All right, so can I ask you, who are you going to vote for?
That's a serious one.
Can you give me a sneak peek?
Well, the truth of the matter is that even when you decide to vote for someone, it's not just the voting. It comes with a lot of expectations. And when those expectations are not met, it kind of sends a turn-off signal to, future aspirants. But for what is what, I think I'll still stick with PDP.
Okay, are you aware that INEC has extended the voters registration exercise to the end of August?
Yeah, I'm aware of the extension. I didn't actually know it was to the end of August.
Okay, all right. Have you gotten your voters card?
Yes, I have.
When did you get it? Did you get it within the extension period?
No, I got it before the extension period.
Okay. And I hope that by next year you're going to vote.
Obviously. I even had to transfer to my current location from my previous location because I tell people that you're not voting is a vote on its own. So there'll be no need if I'm educating people on the need for them to vote and I'm not ready to exercise that right myself.
That's it, guys. We've come to the end of today's episode, and we have heard from Nigerians. Some people are happy about the extension and are willing to take advantage of it to get their voters' cards, and some people want a further extension. Now, if you have not gotten your voters' card, I would encourage you to use the few days that are left to go to a registration center and get your voters' card, because your voters' card is the power that you need to effect the change that we want in Nigeria. For more information, you can visit our website at www.connectnigeria.com and follow us on all social media platforms at Connect Nigeria and on Instagram at Cntv Media. My name is Nancy Olive, and I will see you next time.